हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, ज्ञानदीप शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ खेड रत्नागिरी अँड ज्ञानदीप इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल मोरोंडे बोरज. First of all, you heartily welcome. I am Jayvant PC. Today we are discuss about mathematics part 1. Index are they in part first there are 7 topics. First, mathematical logic. Second, matrices. Third, trigonometric function. Fourth, pair of straight line. Fifth, vector. Sixth, line and plane. And 7, linear programming. Today we are discuss about first topic, mathematical logic. Introduction. It is also known as mathematical reasoning. Logic word is derived from the Greek word logos. The meaning of logos, which means logic. Language is the medium of communication of our thoughts. For communication, we use sentence in logic. We use the which are special sentences. मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक या टॉपिकसाठी आपल्याला ग्रामर अतिशय महत्त्वाचे आहे. लेट्स सी 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस. फर्स्ट, declarative or assertive sentences. Make a statement, they tell us something, they give us information, and they normally end with a full stop. फर्स्ट जो टाइप आहे डिक्लेरेटिव्ह ऑब्लिक ॲसरेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स. दे टेल अस समथिंग or information and the finally end with full stop. These type of sentences is called declarative or assertive sentences. Example, 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, first statement. Then second example, every set is a finite set. Every set is a finite set. These type of sentences is called declarative or assertive sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means ask a question. They want information. They always end with a question mark. These type of sentences are called interrogative sentences. For example, can you speak in French? Second example, what is your name? These type of sentences are called interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are not a statement. Next, third, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give a command, request, advice, suggestion, warning, or a wish. These type of sentences is called imperative sentences. ज्या वाक्यातून आपल्याला कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट, ॲडवाईज, सजेशन, वॉर्निंग दिले जाते त्या सेंटेन्सला इम्पेरेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, प्लीज कम हिअर. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, क्लोज द डोअर, क्लोज द विंडो. These type of sentences is called imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are not a statement. Fourth one type, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences denoted finally exclamatory mark. Show great emotions. Exclamatory sentence end with exclamatory mark. Okay, these type of sentences is called exclamatory sentences. For example, First, may God bless you? Question mark. Second, what a terrible accident it is! Uh, exclamatory mark. These type of sentences is called exclamatory sentences. These are the four types of sentences. First, assertive or declarative sentence. These type of sentences are statement. And second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence, and fourth one, exclamatory sentence. These type of sentences are not a statement. Okay. Next point, statement. A statement is a declarative oblique assertive sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Statements are denoted by letters P, Q, R, E. Statement है एक तो true असतं, otherwise false, but not both simultaneously. These called are the statements. In mathematical logic topic, use some grammars. Truth value of statement. Each statement is either true or false. If a statement is true, then its truth value is T or 1. Similar, the statement is false, then its truth value is F in bracket 0. Means statement is true, denote capital T, and statement is false, denote capital F. Next point, open sentences. Open sentence is not a statement. Open sentence is not a statement. It is differ from person to person. For example, x plus 4 equal to 7. And second example, mathematics is an interesting subject. First example, x plus 4 equal to 7. In first example, x equals to value 3. Statement is true, but x not equal to 3, the statement is false. These type of sentences are called open sentences. Second example, mathematics is an interesting subject. Mathematics is an interesting subject. These type of sentences answer depend from person to person. Okay, some conditions sentences is true and some condition sentences is false is called open sentences. Open sentences, open is called not a statement.